In this tutorial, we will see that how we can fix Epic Games error IS-0003. Install field could not create directly. So there are some of fixes that you can use. So for the step 1, close this one and click on that search. Search for Task Manager. Open it. Here you will get this Epic Games Launcher. Right click on that and end task from here. Then close it and search for Epic Games Launcher. Here it is. Right click on that and open its file location. Again right click on that and open its properties. Then open this compatibility mode where you can run this compatibility troubleshooter. It will start detecting issues from your Epic Games. Select try recommended settings, test the program and it will fix your issue. But in case if that didn't work, click on that next. Yes, save these settings for this program. Close it and check this one compatibility mode and select Windows 7. Select here, run this program as an administrator. Click apply and OK. This is for the second step. For third step, click on this search and search for run. And type here %local app data %. Click OK and it will open up this window here. From here you have to open this Epic Games Launcher folder and open this saved from here and simply delete this logs and web cache folder. Select it and delete it. So that's how you can fix Epic Games error IS-0003 install field could not create directory in just few easy steps.